back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you my own version of what's in my bag. And sa mga bago po sa aking channel, welcome, and kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please don't forget to thumbs up. So ayun po, let's start. I have this Laurent bag. It's the white Cabas. So, let's go. Let's start. So, ayun po. Let's open. I have babies. I have 2 years old and 7 months old. And diaper bag, syempre kailangan kumpleto. Ayoko nilalagay sa bag ko. Oh, this is how my bag looks like. So, yun. One thing I suggest when you have bags, make sure meron kayong organizer para hindi labo-labo yung gamit nyo. So, this one, thank you sa aking organizer which I bought sa Amazon. It made my stuff very neat. At saka madali siyang hanapin, madali siyang halongkayin. So, ayun. Let's start with this one. Ito po, shades. Diba? Pag mainit. Ayan po. So, yan yung first step. Nabili ko rin to online. It's a Burberry one. The hard case. And of course, I have my phone. I have 2 phones. Yung isa gamit ko ngayon kasi wala pa akong camera. And this is a Samsung. This is a Note 8. Pag nagmamadali ako, I made sure I have this and this one. These are my makeup. Hindi na ako naglagay ng makeup pouch. Ito na lang, since I have an organizer inside, I'll just put, this one is my pangkilay. Kilay is life. And this one is my highlighter. So, yun, kahit it's a Tom Ford highlighter. This one is Benefit, yung pang-acne kilay. And I have 3 shades of lipstick. I have this one, it's a Revlon matte. This one is from ANASTACIA. Yan. Nahilig ako sa brown or nude color. And this one, halos same. This is from MAC. And I have this one, wipes for my face or for my hand. This is mint from Starbucks. Syempre, hindi natin alam may emergency purposes. Syempre, pag wala tayong toothbrush na dala. This one is my key holder. So, yan. And okay, I have this. It's a small mirror. Mirror siya. And then, and of course, my wallet. Yan. The good thing about this wallet is it's big enough to have my passport. So I always have my passport with me. What's inside my puro resibo and cards. Ayan. Yan ang laman ng aking wallet. Wala masyado. I don't have bills. Meron ako tago $1 lang. Mostly kasi nasa card. So, ayun. My wallet, and I have this perfume. I really love this. It's another Chanel. Yeah, I so love this. So, yan. Parang hindi pa siya nagagamit kasi I'm so tipid. I really love the scent and it's kind of pricey. So, tipid-tipid para tumagal ang buhay. And I think this is the last stuff I have. I have a small pouch for my accessories. So, if I'm on the go, para di ko makalimutan. I have hoop earrings. Another earring, another ring. So, yun. I have this small pouch for my jewelry. And that's it. It's the organizer. Yan. This is my organizer. Ayan po. So, yun lang po ang laman ng aking bag. Isang madali ang video. So, again, I'll just put back my stuff. My wallet, my mirror, highlighter, aking pangkilay. Okay, I have my 3 shades of lipstick. Okay, 2 shades of lipstick. I have my mint, my jewelry pouch, my wipes, my perfume, my key holder, my phone, okay, and my shades. So, and guys, that's what's in my bag. Yan. Okay. Close it up. Yan. So, ayan po ang aking bag. So, since I'm doing this video, magbibigay na lang din ako ng tips, okay? So, ang tip ko lang, even though there's still a little room left, huwag nyo nang punuin kapag mabigat na yung bag kasi kahit gaano kamahal yan at katibay, kung pinupuno mo naman, sobrang bigat. Okay, that's it guys. This is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching and hi po sa Team Positive. Salamat sa support. Love, love, love. And yun po. Bye!